recording.
In fact, what I do is just make her do roll call.
Good morning. An 18-year-old is looked at as an adult. They are able to vote, buy cigarettes, get married, and serve for their country, but they are not able to drink an alcoholic beverage. I've done some research on this subject, and I've learned that changing the legal drinking age may actually prove safer for society. Being in the United States Air Force, I've seen so many airmen lose their careers to underage drinking, even though it was in a safe environment. Today, I will discuss why the drinking age was changed to 21, proven facts about having a drinking age changed to 18, and ways to improve success after lowering the drinking age. First, let's begin by looking at the history behind the raising of the drinking age to 21. The drinking age was raised to 21 to symbolize society's disapproval of drinking. According to Alexander Wagner from the Journal of Public Health, a higher drinking age is expected to symbolize society's disapproval of youthful drinking, causing the reduction or elimination of certain drinking patterns and causing a reduction in social pressure to drink. One of the main reasons why the drinking age was changed was because of the Department of Highway and Transportation. They were denying state coverage till drinking age was risen. This was because of an increase in the DUIs that were taking place between the 18 and 20-year age group. According to Alex Johnson from MSNBC News, state laws adopted in the mid-1980s under pressure from Congress, which threatened in 1984 to withhold 10% of federal highway funds from states that did not prohibit selling of alcohol to those under the age of 21. By 1988, 49 states had complied. After years of court fights, Louisiana finally joined the crowd in 1995. There was also a big role that the Mothers Against Drunk Driving had played in the increasing of the age to 21. They felt that the raising the drinking age is saving 900 lives a year. So now that you know the history behind raising of the drinking age to 21, let's look at some proven facts of why it should be lowered. Prohibition showed to have some of the worst outcomes with underground drinking. A lot of people were going underground, hiding their drinking, and a lot of times they would overdose on alcohol and it would kill them. Now, it's the same thing happening with the 18 to 20-year age group. An unknown author from Renault Times stated that in 1984, under pressure to rid the nation highways of drunk drivers, Congress forces states like Virginia to change the drinking age to 21. But it was actually proven now that more people die from alcohol overdosing underage than those from DUIs. Underage college drinking is the biggest player, and it is shown that 1,600 people are killed each year from underage drinking in fraternity houses and sorority houses. There was also, the 1980s was the time when all these laws started to happen, but they were actually starting to see a decrease in DUIs from the age of 18 to 20 prior to the increasing of the age to 21. According to Professor Ruth Eames, research from the 1980s until the present has shown a continuous decrease in drinking and driving related variables, which has paralleled the nation's and also university students' decrease in per capita consumption. Now that you know a few reasons why the drinking age should be lower, let's look at ways to help with lowering it and creating a successful law with this. A few steps that can help to improve success of lowering the drinking age is first taking a safety course. Safety courses can help in what kind of DUI crashes, help with consumption, consuming responsible. Also, they could go towards bar drinking as opposed to 18 to 20-year-olds going to a liquor store and buying alcohol. At a bar, an 18 to 20-year-old is going to be looked at more strictly from the bartender, and they can control how much they consume. According to Alex Johnson from MSNBC, he quoted Choose Responsibility proposes lowering the drinking age to 18, but only in conjunction with drinking licenses, similar to driver's license, mandating alcohol education for those ages 18 to 21. Education works, but it's never been tried. Now it's mandatory only after you've been convicted of a DUI. Now this concludes why the drinking age should be lowered and ways to help with the successful transition of lowering the drinking age. As we all know, prohibition did not work, and neither does having an age limit of 21 on alcohol. 18 to 20-year-olds are going to drink regardless of the law, so why not let them drink in a controlled and responsible environment? Thank you.